Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Melanie B. Bonite, 30 years old, from LS Compound, Barangay Toklong, Kawit, Cavite, Philippines, with 3 kids. I'm a high school graduate. I have experience as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years, from August 2018 to August 2020. I serve one couple and 8 months old baby. And I have worked here in the Philippines for 4 years, from January 2021 to January 2025. I serve 4 members in the family, 1 and 3 years old baby. My main duties is taking care of the baby, do household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, dishwashing, marketing, ironing, and washing clothes. To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a kind, patient, honest, loving, caring, trustworthy, and I promise to finish my contract with your family. I follow your rules and regulations. I treat your family as my own family. Ma'am and sir, thank you.